The boat we are going to take a video tour of today is a 2003 Carver 356 aft cabin motor yacht. Boat's been on the market maybe 6 weeks or so, but has had extensive work done to it. The interior has been professionally cleaned, carpets were cleaned. You can see forward on the starboard side here, we've got a dinette. Got a nice large L-shaped sofa. Off on the port side. And down just a couple of steps will get us to the galley. You can see we've got parquet flooring. Taking this video at night, so I hope that the lights in the boat allow it to show as clean as the boat is. So you got a fridge upper, freezer below, lots of storage cabinets, storage behind that tambour door there, microwave of course, more storage, built-in coffee maker, 3-burner electric stove, and for us old-time boaters or anybody that likes pizza, there's an oven. And we make our way to the forward guest stateroom. You can see 4 drawers down below the bed. Another drawer over here. Got a large hanging locker. Obviously looking at the forward bed. Fabrics, everything is in great condition. The fabrics in the guest stateroom are actually original from the factory from 2003. This is a one-owner boat that was custom ordered by an engineer and his wife. So there's a lot of custom features on the boat. Guest head. So he converted the heads. They're electric flush heads, but they're freshwater flush heads. Coming back out, see a drawer below the dinette here. Our 12-volt systems and 120-volt systems are behind that sliding mirror. Making our way back up. We've got a newer flat screen TV upper. Down below is a newer stereo that plays an iPod. And back into the master stateroom. It's pretty chilly here on December 3rd, so you can hear the heat running back here. That extra piece of foam over there was custom made, so you can use that as part of the bed if you want. Stereo speakers back here. Hanging locker off on the port side. Again, lots of storage. And again, back to the master head with the freshwater electric flush. Very, very clean. And a stall shower here in the master. And we'll head up to the aft deck area, which is a great area to hang out or entertain. So as we make our way up, you can see we've got 2 chairs and a table in the center. Nice rug, which is new. It's a shoes off boat. Off on the port side here, we've got an ice maker. And another one of the custom features was he did not want the sink, so he just had a cutting board installed by Carver. By the way, if you have questions, my name is Mike, and the number is 910-620-9903. How's that for a shameless plug? And we step up a couple of molded steps to the bridge. Again, this is maybe not going to show up the greatest, but everything is as clean up here as you saw down below. Got a nice large Garmin GPS chart plotter, newer ICOM VHF radio, shifts. By the way, this boat was ordered with the biggest diesel engines available at the time, which were 370 horsepower Cummins. Engines have been ran regularly, they run great, but they have less than 150 hours on them. Okay, so we've got 2003 Carver 356 aft cabin motor yacht located in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. Aggressively priced at $109,900. If you have any questions, in case you missed it the first time, hey, we have to have a little fun, right? Again, Mike, 910-620-9903, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video.